making our way towards the Tail of the Dragon. So this is my first time ever going to the Tail of the Dragon. I'm with my friend Gio and a few others as well. So my good friend Gio, I met him back in 2020 actually in H2O. He has a bunch of really awesome cars. So check out his YouTube channel, it's in the description. Seriously, check him out if you're interested in JDM cars, because Gio quite literally is the JDM king. But he basically put up a story, you know, looking to have some people come down to the Tail of the Dragon. I inquired, this was months ago, and boom, here we are. Today was the day. I woke up at 3:30 this morning. I packed my car last night, finished packing this morning, and well, we are en route. We just got done doing some of the Blue Ridge Parkway, which was a lot of fun. Super cool road. I've been there twice before. Actually, believe it or not, when Mikhail and I did our cross-country road trip in the van, that was our first stop with Shenandoah National Park. So I got to see some of the things that I saw 3 years ago on my road trip, which was very nostalgic. And actually, we stopped for breakfast in the town. Then Mikhail and I had to go pick up a generator because ours broke. Waynesboro, Virginia. So it was really cool to kind of start the morning off there. We hit the Cracker Barrel, and then we headed off to the Blue Ridge Parkway. We got 7 guys with us total. In front of me right now is Jorge in his S2000. Behind me, which you might be able to see in the rear view mirror, is Jordan in his Lexus GS300 with a 2J GTE, big turbo. And then we have Jorge's son, Jorge, in an FL5 Type R, so a 2025 Type R Civic. Who else am I forgetting? Oh, we have Chris in his Infiniti Q60, I believe is what those cars are called. Super cool car. And then Gio in his Unos Cosmo. So right-hand drive, rotary, twin turbo. None of us have a trailer. We're all on our way. We're just sending it. So yeah, the sun's starting to go down. Beautiful fall colors. Super stoked. Well, this is probably the most exciting part. Not. We're trying to find our Airbnb. Seems I have lost everybody. Nobody else is behind me. I'm pretty sure I made it. So I'm gonna sit here and wait. The GPS is all wishy-washy with a bunch of people that I actually don't even know. Can you see me? I am delusional. It is 10:30 p.m. I woke up at 3:30 a.m. this morning, left my house at 4:01. I don't see anybody behind me. Not a good sign. If I could only describe the state of this road at this time of night. There's 7 of us.
Yeah.
Just gonna keep going? I mean, we have no option, right?
Yeah. I don't know how deep.
I know, that's what I'm worried about.
Yeah, we don't know what's it like over there.
Only one way to find out. Yeah, there's no turning around.
No. So there's only one way in and one way out.
One way in.
Oh fuck.
I mean, that we know of.
Yeah, I mean, I think there's only one way in, one way out.
Shit. Alright, let's
I'm just gonna keep going slow.
Yeah, very slow. I don't know what it did.
We're gonna first gear creep. It's 38 degrees. That's wild. And I'm just gonna put her in neutral here. Looking for 1369 Chestnut. There's a bunch of cabins in here. Everyone's bottoming out. Thankfully, I have the ECS Street Shield to keep my oil pan, at least my plastic oil pan, protected. Oh man, I can already hear rocks hitting my exhaust. Ooh. That's the homestead. We're looking for Chestnut. It's also kind of crazy is I don't know how no one else has made it this far, but the German tractor is not doing too bad. Listen to that clutch. Whew. Crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. But honestly, wouldn't trade it for anything. Something I've always wanted to do. I haven't done car stuff in so long, and I literally only know one of these guys. The rest are strangers, new friends. It's really awesome, all things considered. Well, gang, looks like I made it. Everyone else is still slowly coming down. There's not a lot of parking here. We have this house, which is kind of hard to see, and like this barn thing, so I just parked under here to keep out of the way. And I'm gonna let everyone else make their morning of the tail. Got about 3 hours of sleep again last night. It's about 34 degrees out. It is super chilly. We made it down the road. I didn't film a whole lot. I might film when we get back, but GTI is ready to go for the most part. We got the 360 cam. Got to get it mounted. Gio's Cosmo. Fernando's RSX. This thing is sweet. Cosmo's so cool. Type R. GS300. GTE. And I absolutely love these cars so much, and this one's just so proper. Just looks so good, sounds so good, shoots little flames. Car's sweet. So yeah, pretty much ready for the tail. I'm gonna mount the cameras and get going. I'm leading. Well, the very first run of Tail of the Dragon is complete. GTI did good. I'm just playing it safe. Pop the hood. You can smell my brakes a little bit, some tires. There's George Jr.'s Type R. I was behind him eventually. He kind of took off on me. And then here's his father, George's S2000. Gio's Mazda. And Jordan's GS300. So that's everyone that ran in our line. We ran with some of these guys down here. GT4 RS just showed up, and a bunch of cool cars. RS7, M3, M4. Got the 360 camera on. That was a pretty cool experience. Yeah, MK7 GTI versus Tail of the Dragon. definitely a success. Was a lot of fun. I kind of felt bad that I was like beating the crap out of my car, but that was kind of the whole point. But I still have to drive this thing 12 hours back home, and we still have to make it up that driveway. So gonna take it easy on the car, not go too crazy. On the way back, I'm probably just gonna cruise, not gonna go absolutely insane like I did on the way down here. Just making sure everything's okay on the car. My oil temps are going up, but nothing too crazy. GT4 RS. Awesome time.